Each instrument needs to be associated with a user account. This enables you to change the instrument settings, calibrate it, and view its measurement statistics. Adding instruments to your account. Step 1. Open the app. Please follow our guide on installing the Matoha app if you haven't yet. Step 2. Add the instrument. Open the side menu, the 3 horizontal bars on the top left corner, on the app homepage. Then, press My Instruments. In the top right-hand corner, there is a green plus button that will take you to the next page, where you can scan the QR code. Please scan the QR code on the label using the purple barcode button in the app. The QR code is located at the bottom side of your instrument. Scan the QR code. Your Matoha device should be now connected to your account.